Hey friends, I just want to show you real quick how to get your hardware holes where they need to go if you don't have a fancy jig. So you take your little hardware here and grab your fancy tape measure and you measure how far that is from center to center. This is 3 inches, which is pretty common. Okay. And then what I like to do is put some tape on where I think the center of the drawer is. I'm gonna slap some tape on here, slap some tape on here. I've got to measure my drawer front. I personally like to measure off of this routed edge because I think it's easier to hook my tape on. So I'm going to measure that from routed edge to routed edge, 21 5/16. So I got to take half of that. So I got 20, 21 5/16 would be 5/32. Would be right there. So I think it's right there. But to double check, which would be a 32nd over 10 5/8, I just flip my tape measure over to double check. Sure enough, right on the monkey. Okay. What's this handle again? 3 inches. So I got to scoot over 1.5 inches on either side. So here I go. 1.5 inches here, 1.5 inches here. If I wanted to double check, I might put it on 10 and make sure I end up at 13. There it is, right on the monkey. Now, I'm real dumb, so I might accidentally drill this hole, so I'm going to scribble that out right away so I don't actually do that. All right, same thing. I'm going to measure from router to router. I got 7 inches, so I'm going to come down 3.5. So here's my 3.5 here. Here's my 3.5 here. Okay, so I just need to move those up. I could use a square if I want, but I'm just going to measure. I got 9 1/8, 9 strong 1/8. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to grab my fancy little, call it an awl. Ah! Do you see that? Now I'll cut 1 inch, go to 4 inches right there. Ah! Okay, that's ready to drill. And I do the same thing on that one. Normally I try and use a jig, but if I only have 1 or 2 to do, or if my jig's at my shop, then I might just do it this way. I wanted you to know that. Thanks for watching.